Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by prepping the scene and placing the right objects. This matters because events connect parts of your game. Create a remote event for client-server communication or a bindable event for same-context signaling. Once done, name the event clearly, like player joined event, and drag it under replicated storage so both sides can find it. You should also add a script that will fire the event and a local script that will listen. This first step gets the plumbing ready so messages can flow. Next, you wire the sender and receiver so the event actually transmits data. In the server script, call remote event, fire client player payload, or fire all clients payload to send. In the local script, connect to remote event. On client event connect, function data. To handle it, this is where you update UI, play sounds, or spawn things. Once done, make sure to include player checks and validate incoming data. This prevents cheating and bugs. Tidy code with descriptive variable names for clarity. Finally, you finalize by testing and locking down behavior so the feature is reliable. Run play solo, then play here with both server and client to observe event timing and parameter values. Once done, add server-side validation for any critical changes the client requests, and limit who can fire privileged events. If something goes wrong, check prints and the developer console for errors, confirm event paths in Explorer, and use small reproducible steps to isolate the problem. This single tip saves hours.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.